So, since I'm currently in Australia, I thought it would be a shame not to photograph a car here. So, in today's video, we're gonna take out the Subaru WRX STI 4-wheel drive manual car. I suck at car names, but it's a cool car. It's very good for off-roading, I feel like, and it just looks very cool on a dirt road. And that is exactly where I want to photograph this car. So when it came down to the location, and this is actually most of the time how I find my locations, is I go on Google Maps, go on satellite mode, and then you can exactly see where dirt roads are, where it's a bit more deserted, where there are not many buildings, also less people to see you doing little drifts and skids. So when it comes down to gear, I'm gonna photograph with my Canon R6, and I'm gonna use this 7200 f2.8 from Sigma. And besides that, I'm also gonna switch between the 85 2.0 from Canon. And for both lenses, I also use a polarizing filter. Let's get shooting. I'm very excited. I hope the weather is gonna be on our side, but yeah, let's keep our fingers crossed. All right, let's go. Look at the eagle! Wow, look at the eagle! That's such a big bird! Oh! Alright, and that is it for this photo shoot. And did this photo shoot go as planned? No, absolutely not, because the roads were asphalted and I was hoping for a little bit of a sunset, but there was no sunset. It was just cloudy. And I've noticed that during the shoot I thought it was a bit overwhelming, because I was like, this is not how I imagined my photos are going to be. This is not how I imagined this location was going to be. But still, it worked out pretty well, and I'm very happy with the shots I got. What I've noticed that really helps me when I get in this sort of like frustrated headspace is to just focus on having fun with the photos and just start taking the photos. What I do then, especially when I photograph cars, is I make a 360 around the car. So for example, I'll just start shooting the front of the car, then I'll do some interior shots, finish off with the back of the car, maybe some detail shots. And this way I am just taking the photos, I'm having fun, and I know that I have enough photos to work with in the edit. So I think a lesson for myself, and maybe also for you, is just don't get worked up when situations don't go as you imagined. Just still have fun, because afterwards you want to have enough photos to work with and not be like, fuck, I wish I took more photos, or I wish I didn't get as frustrated because now I have nothing left of this shoot to edit. So yeah, that's maybe a little lesson for you and definitely for me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching my video and I also hope to see you in the next one. Okay, bye bye, doei! He's cutting the grass!